Hi guys, this is Jonathan from BlackboxMyCar, and we're here today to answer some of your questions. The first question we have is, does the U1000 have an IR rear camera? As things are right now, there is no IR variant of the rear camera available for the THINKWARE U1000. If you're looking for an IR system within the THINKWARE brand, you do currently have to look towards the THINKWARE FA200 IRC. The second question we have is it possible to move the lens up or down on the U1000 dashcam like you can with the F800 Pro? Simply put, yes. The front lens on the U1000 can rotate upwards or back downwards to really accommodate for any style of windshield. The third question we have is, can you turn off warnings like lane departure and forward collision warnings? Yes, you absolutely can. So if you go through the settings for the THINKWARE U1000, there's a whole section that pertains to those ADAS features that the camera provides. And each of them can be manually turned on or turned off, as well as the sensitivities can be configured through there. And as always, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, do feel free to email us or give us a call, as we're always more than happy to answer any questions that you. Hi guys, this is Jonathan from BlackboxMyCar. Where are you going, Ben? Okay.